Let me see your joy. Come on, louder now. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. My goods have arrived. Are you sure? The goods. All of my good. Let me hear you louder. My good. Pa, pa, pa. My goods have arrived. My goods have arrived. Anyone going forward. Anyone, my goods have arrived. Your neighbor needs to hear it. Find your neighbor, tell the person, going forward. Going forward. From today, anyone who helps me is my goods. One more time. Find another neighbor. Anyone who blesses me is blessed. From today, anyone who favors me is favored. That's your cue, neighbor. Anyone who helps me is helped. All over this place. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Your hand, pa pa pa. Na 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 na, cha, na 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 na, yeah, na 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 na, cha, na 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 na. Jesus, release churches. Jesus. Release power. Baba, we are ready. Baba, hope we are mounting. Pressure. Apucha, hope you are mounting. Pressure. From this Sunday, pressure. We are mounting. Pressure. I hope we are mounting. Pressure. I hope you are mounting. Daddy, release churches. Daddy, release power. Baba, we are hungry. Baba, I hope you are mounting. Pressure on Abuja. Pressure. I hope we are mounting. Pressure on Abuja. Pressure. Who is mounting? Pressure on our families. Pressure. I hope we are mounting. Pressure on Nigeria. Pressure. I hope we are mounting. Somebody say pressure. Hope you are mounting. Amen. It's not just a song. It's a story about the next few weeks and months after now. You already get it? Are you sure? How do you know? I've not said it now. I have a strong feeling that some powers are not happy with us. And the way we answer pressure is by mounting what? Pressure. It's pressure. That's the language we understand. Because we don't back down. Yeah. Let's see who can mount more. It's only one life I have, and I vow to waste it on mounting what? Pressure. Pressure. Before I leave, but there will be a lot of pressure. Pressure everywhere. The pressure must get worse and worse. We don't back down. We don't back down. Somebody shout pressure. So I will talk a little about it because we need strength for pressure. Yes or no? You don't mount pressure without strength. It takes strength to mount pressure. Everybody listening to me, this is your year of shift. I don't care how it started. How it ends is my responsibility. Are you hearing what I'm saying? This year, you must shift. It doesn't matter what the year started with. It doesn't matter how many losses you gathered. The ending of this year will recover all your losses. Yeah, it takes pressure to recover. Yeah. David had losses, man. Those mighty men were weeping, they were crying. Lost wife, lost children, lost houses, lost all in one day. Only thing remaining is your sword. But if you didn't lose your sword, you've not lost anything. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Your sword is your weapon of pressure. Yeah. They didn't touch the sword. They didn't touch the sling, the stones. Your weapons are intact. Is somebody following what I'm saying? Yeah, once you mount enough pressure, they will return sevenfold. That's the reason for pressure. You will collect the one they stole. You will collect the one they did not steal. Someone shout pressure! Yeah. I'm excited about the next few weeks. I will talk a bit about it. I think I've got to release. I was thinking it would be October, where we will have 500 hours or 700 hours. Yeah. I've not finished what I was saying. I was thinking. People just like pressure. But I have a strong feeling it's time. It's time. It's time. Some of your lives need it right now. It's urgent. Is somebody hear what I'm saying?